Hi, boys and girls. Today in science class, we are learning about the life cycle of a plant. Let's look at our learning target. I can observe the parts of a seed, so I can learn how it sprouts and grows into a plant. I will know I have it when I can sequence the life cycle of a plant. You have schema for plants and how we depend on them. They produce food for us to eat and oxygen for us to breathe. We also have some medicines because of plants. Some flowering plants are beautiful to look at. Let's look at some vocabulary for this unit. Plant, a type of living thing that gets its energy from the sun and is unable to move from place to place on its own. You physically have to pick up a plant and move it. It cannot move on its own. To grow is to increase in size. Needs. All living things have these and must get them in order to survive. Survive. It continues to live. Seed. Produced by a plant that contains a new plant. Sprout. The seed germinates and a tiny plant begins to grow. Seedling is a young plant. An adult plant is a plant that produces seeds. Life cycle is a different stage that living things go through. It's all of those stages as they grow and develop. Our focus today. The life cycle of a plant. First, you plant a seed in the soil. The seed germinates and grows a sprout. The plant grows parts such as roots, stem, leaves to become a seedling, a young plant. The plant goes through pollination, and we will learn about that process later. Then flowers grow on the plant. Last, the flowers make fruits or vegetables, and the seeds are inside. One special fruit has its seeds on the outside, a strawberry. There's a Brain Pop Junior video I want you to watch, and it's about the life cycle of a plant. Many plants begin their life cycle as a seed. Pumpkins, corn, green beans, tomatoes, cucumbers, watermelons, strawberries, peaches, and apples. Have you ever wondered what's inside one? Well, I have soaked some lima beans, and we're going to see if we can look at this together and see if we can pick out the parts of a seed. If I can get a lime, let me get one out. Oh, I got it. All right. You can do this at home if you have lima beans. Just soak them in water. And let's see if we can take this part off. And it's coming off. This part is the seed coat. It's the outer part of the seed that protects the seed. This is the young plant, and that is what would sprout and grow into a lima bean plant. This big section here, the white sections, that's food storage for the plant. So as the plant sprouts and starts to grow, then it feeds the plant as it starts to grow. It's that food storage all stored up to keep the plant living. Your independent practice. I have a sequencing sheet for you. So you are going to put the life cycle of a plant in order by dragging the sentences that put the life cycle in order. And a scientist who studies plants is called a botanist. So enjoy being a botanist today.